Here I've got HUAWEI Mate 30 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then go to the security and then select Fingerprint ID. So here it is. At first you have to add some backup pattern or pin code. I will enter pin code, it would be 123456, and now re-enter it just for confirmation, so it's 123456. And now decide what would you like to use this fingerprint to, so it can be unlock device. And now click on add fingerprint. Here is the sensor, so you just have to tap on the sensor until your fingerprint is fully added. Just keep tapping. Once you feel or hear vibration, just lift your finger up and then slightly put it one more time to add all the edges. And click on OK. As you can see, it has been done successfully. So from now on you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only, just like that. Hello. Or you can also use this backup pin code. So if you'll borrow your phone to somebody, he or she can enter this 123456 pin code and also will be able to unlock your device. So that will be all. This is how you can add fingerprint in your HUAWEI Mate 30. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.